Arms are gonna get sore if we keep catching fish, boys. Beautiful native brookie. Woo! Oh my gosh. This way. This way. This way. What the heck?
The boys. The boys.
The boys. So talk us through what you're running out here for these sturgeon, Shoe.
We're just trying to get some sturgeon here and just put a glob of worms on there. Get a big old hook, glob of worms, big old sinker, and
That's
send it out there and drink a beer until you get a bite, you know?
Let's see if we can't catch a couple.
Glad you brought this rod.
Oh, Shoe just hooked up into one. He's passing me the rod. Oh, we got some weight. How big you thinking, Shoe? She's digging. Rainy River sturgeon fishing. What about the one? What about this anchor rope over here to the right?
Right, you're gonna man the anchor rope. Fish start swimming towards the anchor and just start slapping it. They don't like vibrations.
I mean, it was tough for us to get this fish hooked up, though. It took us a while. We grinded for this bite. GoPro's still rolling, right, Shoe? We got the red
lights on.
Red lights on. Love to hear that. Oh yeah.
How's that power?
She's big.
The drag is here if you need to
Loosen her up a little bit.
But if you do too much, then you'll.
Yeah.
You know, so you
Yep. I'll mess with it.
Yep.
It's been a while since I caught a big sturgeon out here with you, Shoe.
Yeah, it is.
Couple years, but Shoe always puts you on a fish. Slapper.
Just basically grab it and just shake it as much as you can. I would right now.
Shake it. They don't like the vibration, that's why, huh?
No, but
It's still going that.
pull that anchor.
We're just gonna go float down with this one or what? Oh, it's big. This is big.
Here, go
We're
to the back
good.
of the boat. Stand on the back, and you're gonna have to go around that motor.
Yeah, leave the anchor. Leave the anchor.
Watch that drag, folks.
Yep. Drag's good. I'm not gonna touch it.
Look at that power. Damn, they're strong.
I don't think there's a lot of line out. I think she's pretty close to the boat. I'm surprised she didn't jump.
Yeah. Set it on the.
It's definitely a bigger fish there, Shoe.
Got a decent drag going here.
Yep, drag's
Take a
good.
little bit.
It can take when it wants to.
Yeah, just off the bottom. Oh yeah, look at that bend. Where's the camera?
Oh.
Look at that.
Ooh.
This is why you make the drive, right, Hogs?
That's why you make the drive up. Plus, I got good company whenever I come up.
Got that right. It's cold, it's windy, but we're doing it.
I wish we could say the same about you, about the good company.
I know. I don't know why you guys put up with me, to be honest. Look at that bend, God.
Isn't that nice?
See, that's why I'm glad we stuck it out.
Is the forearm getting sore yet?
Not yet.
We're in
Mine
the
is.
spot here. Making a little progress.
We're gaining on her.
She's gonna jump here. Make sure you get the jump. Hogan's got the GoPro on too.
This is awesome. This is why you make the drive. The nice thing too, like I don't want to jinx it, but the nice thing with sturgeon fishing, once you hook
There
them,
it is. I see him.
it's usually pretty.
Bring him over to this side.
Other side?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Ready? Got it? Oh yeah, baby. Woo!
what we're after.
That's what we're after. Let's put pliers out and get this hook out of this thing right away, huh? Right there, eh, Shoe?
That's ideal.
You got a nice ass, Shoeman.
Thank you.
Been doing squats? Or?
I've been working out. Losing some weight. Hold them up for the camera.
And here it is, right here. Rainy River Sturgeon. You
There it
gotta love
is.
that. With baby Kyrie.
Up in Kyrie. Look at that, huh?
Beauty of a fish right
Gotta
there.
like that.
All right. Well, thanks.
Let's kinda
Keep
get an
that
estimate.
rolling.
Let's get an estimate here, Hogan.
Yep.
7.
That's gotta be 50 inches. That would have been a keeper.
That's a keeper.
So when there's season, 45 to 50 can keep.
1 a year. Yep.
Great smoked fish.
All right, let's get a good release.
Kyrie!
Good?
Yep.
All right, ready for the release there, Brett?
Yep.
Just kind of hold this tail.
Oh, she's ready to kick. Ready for it?
Hell yeah.
Next big kick. There she goes.
Woo! Release.
Thank
Nice
you, Captain Shoe.
Nice work.
Brett.
Hooked up, Rainy River.
Ooh,
Ooh, nice one.
good little pull bend. Got one sturgeon, so now we're kind of going for sturgeon and walleye right now. Got one walleye rod going.
Oh, that's a dandy.
Oh, baby. What a day. What a day.
That's a dandy.
What a day.
Ooh, I'm telling you, rod on the floor.
Woo!
That's a dandy.
Let's see that fish, Mr. Brett. Oh, beautiful
Got a
fish.
phone
Heck yeah, beautiful fish. Want to throw her up to the tape measure real quick? See what we got.
28.
28.
Sure.
Ooh, here
Pretty.
down.
The release
Beautiful
hogs.
fish, yep. Nice fish, boys.
That's a beauty. Gotta love the old ship's wheel.
All right, Shu. So we weren't really filming today, just out catching fish. But I figured we'd put this on the old vidya. What'd you go and catch here, bud?
Oh, I was just talking to my girlfriend on the phone, and I had to hang up. I said I got a bite, and got
Wow.
a nice pig, nice healthy Lake of the Woods
Rainy River
giant,
walleye.
you know, 26 incher.
Second 26 of the day. Brett caught another one.
So
So
pretty good.
heck yeah.
Good numbers of fish.
You want a picture with that fish?
Yeah.
Nice work.
Thank you.
Go. Boom! Hogan, you're blocking the fucking camera.
Oh, are you on? You hooked on?
Yeah.
Show the camera.
Sauger.
Do your curtsy. Here we go.
Yes, the boat. Alright, switch with me.
Fuck you.
Yep. Brett's hooked up. Hell yeah, Brett. Sturgeon to walleye. Came right out. Let's see that fish. Hold it up real quick, Shu.
Too bad you can't keep them. That's perfect.
That's an eater right now. It's just nice you can still fish for him.
That stuff gold minnow.
Good fish, bud.
Heck yeah.
Nice. Monster. Holy shit. Brett is hot hand today.
We go, Bobo. Get your ass in the boat.
All right, talk us through what you're doing here. How you having all this luck?
Just hooking up a shiner
On a little jig head?
at bottom and just tapping it off bottom.
Let's see that fish. Here, can I hold her?
Yeah. Maybe give her a kiss.
Beautiful. Beautiful Rainy River, Waldunski. Thank you.
All right, we're here, basically just packing up for the weekend here.
And your fish right here.
Hogan just gets a last minute bite, and we think it's a pretty nice one. Oh yeah.
What a way to end a trip.
What a
Thanks
way
for
to
having
end a
me up,
trip.
boys.
What a way to end a trip. Oh yeah. Look at her go. Oh yeah.
You can tell it's cold when the guides on the rod get a little iced up.
it a sturgeon?
There it is. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's right. Oh my.
There we go. Let's see that. Let's see that. That's a Rainy River giant. Hold that thing up, Hogan. Hold that thing up.
Let's go. What a way to end a trip, boys.
Hold that thing up for me, Hogan.
What a way to end a
To
trip.
the camera. Here, let me see. Get that
Oh
jig
my
out there.
god, boys.
That's what we like to see.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
baby.
boys.
Turn it sideways. Turn it sideways. That's a giant.
Get a quick measurement on this.
Let's get a measurement on it. Brett, you wanted to get a picture on your phone
Yeah,
of it?
please, Brett.
I'm gonna just keep recording and we'll get the release on this guy.
29.
It's gotta be bigger than that.
All right, we're right there. 29 and a half.
29 and a half. Nice. That is a giant, Hogan. Look at that belly. Oh, beauty.
Good, Brett.
Show that to the camera one more time, Hogs. One more time before we get a good, healthy release on it. Oh, that's a giant. Gotta
What a
love
way
it.
to end
What
a
a way
trip.
to end a trip.
Last minute cast, baby. Beauty Rainy River.
The one more cast pays off. Ooh,
Right
and
away.
healthy. Gone.
Woo!
Woo! The boys!
Could be big.
Hooked up, Hogs?
Yeah. I don't know. We don't know the size yet. Oh yeah, nice little walleye.
That'll work. That's a perfect fish. I wish you could eat that. Hold that up. Hold that up, Hogan. See what we got there. Oh, yeah, that's beauty.
Nice little 18-incher.
That's beauty, yeah. 17, 18 inches. Nice.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Hogan in the Wild. Hell of an episode, eh?